This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Get summer ready in this sprawling ranch with in-ground pool. Fresh paint and new flooring throughout this 4-bedroom/2-bath with over 2,600 square feet, classic floor plan with formal living and dining rooms, large family room, eat-in kitchen with new granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Large primary bedroom with 2 closets and private bath, large sunroom overlooking pool, and huge backyard. New roof, new windows, new pool liner, and new garage door. Established neighborhood convenient to I-664, shopping, and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.